Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Poco F4 GT versus OnePlus 10T. So let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Let's talk about camera in detail. Let's start with Poco F4 GT. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4. Let's talk about OnePlus 10T. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 16 megapixel aperture 2.2 or depth camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2. Price: Poco F4 GT come around $36,000 to $453 of 8GB RAM or OnePlus 10T come around $50,000 to $627 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's discuss about both the phone result. Design are both the phone have good, display are also good on both the phone. Camera is almost similar. There is a better hardware on OnePlus 10T. Connectivity are same and there is a better charger on OnePlus 10T and price is overall good on both the phone. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching our video.